Looker Studio tutorial for beginners step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Looker Studio, which is a tool by Google. So let's get into it. Now, Looker Studio is something that a lot of people underestimate because they haven't ever looked at the tool too much, and that can be really disappointing considering how amazing Looker Studio can be for data visualization. So let's get started with our Looker Studio profile. So the first thing you're gonna do is head on over to Looker Studio, and you can see Looker Studio as a simple way to get started. Just click on Get Started. You'll be led to the Looker Studio tab. For this, all you need to do is make sure that you have a Google account, and then you can get started. Now, once you have logged on to your Google account and opened up Looker Studio, you can see on the bottom left, you will have a panel called Templates. Now, the templates panel can be super helpful when you're starting off with Looker Studio and are not sure about your own data visualization. So you guys can see there are quite a few different types of reports, charts, pie graphs, bar graphs that you can view with Looker Studio. And all you need to do is provide your data source, and Looker Studio will create data visualization for you. If you click on data sources, you will see if you add a data source like this, and then you will be able to build your own reports. So to create your own reports, you can click on blank report over here and a blank report will be created. Then you're going to use Looker at an instant and you're just going to connect your Looker account. So I'm just going to add our Looker Studio link like so. And you don't need to re-add Looker Studio like this. So we're just going to paste that in. I'm going to close this. And once we have proceeded on, we can begin by, customizations to our page. First off, you're going to click on Add Data on the top right, and you can choose where you want to add your data from. So it could be from Google Analytics, Google Ads, BigQuery, Cloud Spanner, Shopify customer events, build your own Shopify, Illumin, the trade desk. So if I open up Shopify over here, I want to take data from my Shopify store. So I will use this connector and I will have to authorize this connector to be able to provide me with data. Now for that, I will click on authorize over here and I will authorize this connection on Shopify. So I will have to add my store name, which we're going to do by going into Shopify like so. And this is up to your total personal preference where you want to derive it from. It really depends on what you're using as your primary source of revenue. So you can easily just derive your data from there. So I'm just going to open up my Shopify store here and we're going to copy the URL. Then we can go back into this connector and we are going to enter our store name and then click on start. Once you click on start on the connection tab, you will see that your shop will now be connected. Now, if you can't seem to figure out your own data, it's always a good idea to use some of the sample data provided to you to have a basic understanding of Looker Studio. So if I was to do that, I could do that by going back into Looker Studio, and then I can click on Start with Template. And you will see there are quite a few different templates available on Looker Studio. So first off, they have a GA4 report, they have Acme Marketing, e-commerce PPC, Google account, a Crashlytics dashboard, meeting recordings, insights, Google Classroom engagement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a report that is closest to what I want. I want a marketing report and I can open up the template. And once I do that, the template will also have some sample data. You can choose to remove that and click on use my own data, or you can just use the default data that is provided. So I'm using my Jane Doe data and I can click on edit and share. and I can use the data in my Google account as well. Now, in this particular report, there are things such as, users, sessions, bounce rates, the sessions that are trending, the top countries, engagement by age. Now, from here, you can go on ahead and make a copy of this report. And once you add your own data to this, so if you add your own data to this, you can further customize with any more widgets that might be required for your personal use case. So if you have a blank report like so, and you don't have any specific data source, what you're going to do is first add your data source. So I can add Google ads, LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads. You even have things such as, you have a lot of different integrations to add. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sample data across maybe Google Sheets. Yeah, I think I'll use Google Sheets like so. And you're just going to sign into your account on Google and you will see all of your details over here. So if I go on ahead and take a look at the sheets over here, I can click on add and now I can use this information and I can use this as a way to generate all of my visual data. So you will see all of the group member that will be this, the record count. You can add different fields as well. And this is totally up to your personal preference as to how you want to import your data. You will find all data presets on the right. So this would group number that will be decided via raffle add field. You can add another group of info, and this is going to be any different info bit from your report that Google might have missed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Looker Studio on Google. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below. And I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.